It truly feels special to stand here today and welcome each one of you to the Aspect Summit 2026. Looking at this room and knowing that today we are a family of over 2,000 people, each one contributing, building, and pushing this organization forward, reminds me of one simple truth. Everything we are and everything we are becoming is because of all of you in this room. So before we go any further, let's take a moment to appreciate ourselves. A big round of applause for this entire team. As we begin, I would like to reflect on the past year. It has not just been a year of growth. It has been a year where we moved faster, thought bigger, and stepped into a stronger version of ourselves. Since our last summit, we have expanded across businesses, geographies, partnerships, and presence. We also marked an important milestone in our global journey with the opening of our Dubai office. Another significant internal step was moving into our new corporate office here in Mumbai, bringing everyone under one roof, which has strengthened alignment, collaboration, and the way we work together as one organization. Now, let me highlight the developments that took place across verticals. Under Aspect Bullion, we expanded our retail footprint and strengthened accessibility through our vending machines. What began as an idea has now grown into a strong network. With upcoming placements at airports, we are taking this concept into high visibility, high trust environments, making gold and silver buying more accessible than ever before. We were also recognized for our performance and supported the India International Bullion Summit, where I had the opportunity to engage with respected leaders such as Mrs. Amrita Fadnavis ji and Shashi Tharoor ji and many other notable stalwarts. Under Aspect QSR, NomNom Express achieved a remarkable milestone by scaling rapidly and establishing itself as a fast-growing QSR brand within a very short span. The launch was a differentiator which proved speed with execution. Under Aspect Hospitality, the launch of Akina and Opa Kipos in Worli and Radio Bar in Malad, we expanded into curated, experience-led dining spaces. Each concept that has been built with a distinct identity, blending premium hospitality, strong design, and a memorable guest experience. Under Aspect Industries, we entered a completely new vertical, laying the foundation for long-term industrial growth. In December 2025, we inaugurated MG Steel Tubes, marking our first step into manufacturing and setting the base for a strong, scalable industrial presence. Looking ahead, Altrek Steels, planned for 2027, will expand our capabilities with a focus on advanced steel solutions and large-scale production. Through Greyhawk Precast, targeted for 2028, we have partnered with Elematic OICH, bringing global technology and expertise into our ecosystem. That's huge, guys. Together, these initiatives form the foundation of our long-term industrial vision. Under Aspect Entertainment, we marked a strong beginning with the launch of our entertainment vertical and secured the rights for the sequel of Khalnayak. Creating a strong visibility and excitement, I am very happy to share that we hosted a press conference just yesterday to announce the launch of Aspect Entertainment, and it was a great start to this new journey. Under Aspect Realty, we continue to build strong foundations for the future. At the same time, we lay the foundation for the Mahadev temple, reminding us to stay grounded no matter how high we rise. Under Aspect Sports, we return stronger. The Tigers of Kolkata finished as runners-up in Season 3, demonstrating resilience and competitive spirit. We're also proud to have Saurav Ganguly associated with us, bringing leadership to strengthen our journey. This is the level we are stepping into, with stronger talent, stronger presence, and a large sporting vision. Let us take a moment to acknowledge this with a round of applause. We also stepped into the Pro Wrestling League with a strong team, which included Aman Sehrawat, who recently secured a silver medal in the 61 kilo category at the Asian Wrestling Championships 2026. Along with Mukul Daya, who also brought home a silver medal in the 86 kilo category in the same championship. Such a proud moment. Further, through Aspect Sports, we associated with Pinkathon, led by Milind Soman, supporting successful marathons in Mumbai and Delhi and contributing to meaningful community impact. Over the past year, Aspect Global Ventures has continued to gain strong recognition across industries, reflecting both its growth and credibility. The group was honored at prestigious platforms such as the Times Business Awards 2026, the ET Now Business Conclave and Awards 2026, and many more, reinforcing its position as a fast-growing diversified business. It also received recognition across sector-specific platforms for innovation, execution, and scale, particularly in emerging business segments like retail bullion and QSR. These milestones collectively reflect not just expansion, but the consistency and discipline behind our growth. On the leadership front, I was grateful to be recognized amongst Business Today's most powerful women, which was truly a humbling moment in my journey. I also had the honor of receiving the Swayam Shakti Award and being recognized at platforms such as the Asia's Icon Awards, etc. I've had the opportunity to be a part of notable forums where I could engage and learn from respected voices across industries. I see these recognitions not as personal milestones, but as a reflection of the collective effort, trust, and support of the entire Aspect team. They serve as a reminder that there is always more to learn, more to build, and more to achieve. When we look at all of this together, one thing is clear. We are not just growing, we are accelerating. And more importantly, learning how to sustain that speed. And that brings me to this year's theme, Stronger Together, Faster Ahead. Stronger Together is about our people. It is about staying connected, aligned, and supportive of each other as we grow. Because growth brings complexity, more teams, more decisions, more responsibility. And what keeps us steady is how we stay together. Very, very important. Faster Ahead is about speed. Speed in how we think, speed in how we act, speed in how we adapt. But speed alone is not enough. If we move fast without alignment, we will lose direction. If we stay aligned but move slow, we will lose opportunity. So we need both. As we step into this next phase, expectations will be higher. We will need sharper thinking, faster execution, stronger ownership, and above all, trust. Because no matter how big we grow or how fast we move, if we stay aligned and grounded, there is nothing we cannot achieve. This next phase of Aspect is bigger than anything we have ever done before. And it will demand the best from all of us together. Very important, together. So as we begin in this summit, let us carry this thought forward. A team that moves together, grows together, and wins together. Let today be a moment to acknowledge how far we have come and prepare for how fast we are about to move ahead. If we stay united in purpose and fearless in execution, there is no limit to what Aspect can build from here. I thank each one of you for being part of this journey. Let us make this summit meaningful and powerful. Har Har Mahadev. Thank you.